Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted your own personal Netflix with all your favorite movies and shows, ad-free and available anytime, then setting up a Plex media server with a Synology NAS and Usenet might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we'll go over why this setup is one of the best ways to take full control of your home media library. What is Plex? Plex is a powerful media server platform that organizes all your movies, shows, and music in one place and streams them beautifully to any device you own. Think of Plex as your private streaming service. It automatically adds posters, artwork, trailers, and even subtitles, turning your personal collection into a polished, on-demand experience. Why use a Synology NAS? A Synology NAS, or network-attached storage, is the heart of this setup. It's like having a personal cloud server in your home. With a NAS, your media stays safe, backed up, and available 24/7 without leaving your network. You can stream from Plex on your TV, your phone, or even when you're away from home, all powered by your NAS. And unlike using a PC, a NAS runs quietly, uses less power, and is built to run continuously. Where Usenet comes in. Now here's where things get really interesting. Usenet is a global network that's been around longer than the web itself, and it's still one of the fastest, most private ways to download media. When combined with automation tools like Sonar, Radar, and SACNZBD, you can set up your system to automatically fetch new shows or movies as soon as they're available. What is Sonar, Radar, and SACNZBD, and how is it used? Sonar. What it does. Sonar is an automation tool that manages and downloads TV shows. It monitors your favorite series and automatically grabs new episodes as soon as they're available. It works by connecting to Usenet or torrent indexers. Main features: automatically searches for missing or new episodes, renames and sorts shows into proper folders, integrates perfectly with Plex or Jellyfin so your new episodes instantly appear in your library, can handle multiple quality profiles, 1080p, 4K, etc. Example: you tell Sonar you watch The Boys 2019. Once a new episode drops, Sonar finds it, downloads it via SABNZBD, and stores it in your Plex library automatically. Radar. What it does. Radar is almost identical to Sonar, but for movies instead of TV shows. You add movies you want, and Radar keeps checking your Usenet or torrent sources until it finds them. Main features: automatic movie searching and downloading, renames, sorts, and organizes files neatly by movie title year, can upgrade quality automatically, replaces 1080p with 4K if available, works with Plex. Example: you add Oppenheimer 2023 to Radar, it finds the best version, downloads it, and places it right into your movies folder, ready to watch. SABNZBD. What it does. SABD is a Usenet download manager. It takes the NZB files, download instructions, from Sonar or Radar and downloads the actual video files. Think of it as the middleman doing the heavy lifting of the download. Main features: handles all downloading, repairing, and extracting of Usenet files, has a web interface to monitor downloads, fully automates with Sonar Radar. Example: when Sonar finds a new episode, it sends an NZB link to SABBD. SAPBD downloads and extracts it. Sonar sees the completed file and moves it into your TV folder. How they work. Together, Sonar and Radar monitor your shows/movies. When new content appears, they send download requests to SAPBD, downloads the files from Usenet. Sonar Radar rename, organize, and notify Plex or Jellyfin to refresh your library. Everything downloads directly to your Synology NAS, gets organized by Plex, and is ready to stream without you lifting a finger. The benefits of this setup: full control of your content, no monthly streaming subscriptions, private and secure storage, automatic organization and updates, seamless streaming on every device. You get the best of both worlds, the power of automation from Usenet and the polished streaming experience of Plex, all running from your reliable Synology NAS. Why people love it. Once you've set it up, you'll realize how convenient it is. You can stream at full quality, no buffering, no missing episodes, no ads, and because everything is stored locally, you'll never wake up to find your favorite show suddenly removed by a streaming service. It's your media, your way. So if you're tired of juggling subscriptions or losing access to your favorite titles, building your own Plex media server on a Synology NAS with Usenet integration might just be the smartest move you make. If you want the full step-by-step guide, every download, settings screenshot, and exact folder structure to build this yourself, I put a complete walkthrough on my website. I've pinned the link in the comments below so you can jump straight to it. Your online activity is monitored by your ISP, government, and all websites. Become anonymous while streaming and downloading with Privado VPN. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.